Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these DIY lash clusters, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So these are by the brand Kisslily. You can see I got 3 different ones to show you guys, and I will be applying one on camera today. These ones are really light. Like, they're going to look more natural. And this comes with the whole lash kit. So it comes with the tweezers, the glue, and the lash remover, which is awesome. If you're just getting started with applying DIY lash clusters, this is the way to go because you get everything inside the kit. So you won't have to buy any extra stuff, which is awesome. So we have these ones, which are very natural. These ones right here, which these look a little more brown than the other ones, but they're still kind of that natural look. And then you have these ones, which are going to be a little more bold. These are kind of like what I just took off my eyes before applying these. I've been wearing lash extensions for like probably 4 to 5 years now, a long time, and I've never went back. So these things are awesome. So I'm probably going to apply the first ones that I showed you. It doesn't say the name of them. I think it did when I first, on like the packaging. So I'll go ahead and just list everything that's in this video down in the description box below. These are the ones that are slightly darker than these ones. You can see they're really similar. These are just more brown toned, and these are more black. It also comes with a little spoolie on the inside, which is nice. So it has one 16 row, 14s, 12s, 10s, and 8s, and those are millimeters. I usually start out with 16s. Like, I'll probably do one of those, maybe 2 14s, 2 12s, 2 10s, and then we'll see if I can fit an 8. So let's go ahead and get to applying though. So I'm in the process of moving right now, so I don't have a lot of my like mirrors that I usually use, so I'm gonna have to use this bigger one to apply these, which is okay. See, these are very light and dainty. I think a lot of people are gonna like these, and if you do want them to be a little more bold, you can always layer. So as you can see, it comes with this. This is the bond, which is the glue, and then this is the seal. You don't always have to use a seal. Usually the seal just takes away stickiness. So after you apply them, if you like blink and your eyes are kind of sticking together, then you'd apply the seal. But I don't always apply it, but then I get people like, why didn't you apply the seal? That's why, because it's not always necessary. So the glue is clear. Usually they either usually come in clear or black, but because they are like more brown tinted, I'm guessing they went with clear. Just like that. And then when removing these, you want to go from the bottom like this and then pull up. And then these you do glue from underneath. That's why I put the glue underneath my eyes, and you just look down. So like that. And then I'm going to go in with the 14. Another 14. Now we're going to do a 12. These are super easy to pull off. That's like been the easiest that I've ever had. Another 12. Now we're going to do a 10. And it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to fit an 8. So you can see that's before and that is after. And then once it's completely done, you go through and then you're going to pinch the back. Those are actually really pretty. If you want to kind of thicken it up on the outside too, you can put some extra ones, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to make it like more like a cat eye. I'm going to grab a 14 because I don't have a lot of 16s, so I don't want to really use those, but I have a ton of 14s. So I'm going to get a 14 and I'm going to put a little glue on this side. I'm just going to put it right here. And you can see that's just going to kind of make that a little darker on the corner. Anywhere that you want it more darker, just going to make it look really pretty. And then I'm just going to grab the back since I'm done applying and just pinch them together. And that's going to get you a really, really long wear out of them. I can usually get my lashes last about 2 weeks, which is why I like doing this, because you just apply them and then you just wake up with beautiful lashes. I used to tint my brows too with like brow henna, but I have not done that in a while. Probably should get back to that though, because that was super nice. I just woke up every day just feeling put together. And then you can see let me go ahead and apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like with both eyes done. And that is what it looks like with both eyes done. I did go ahead and I went through and I put another 12 right beside that 14 that I put, just kind of layered, just to kind of deepen out the outer sides a little more. And I love the way that looks. And look how many more, oops, look how much more you have left. That is amazing. So you could probably do your lashes at least 4 more times with these. And for the price, you cannot beat that. They are so stinking beautiful. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.